What's up, guys? So today's topic is all about leaks and rumors surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 series, especially the Ultra. There's a lot to unpack here, so grab a cup of tea and let's get into it. But first, I've got some hot news from Google. We're expecting the Pixel 10 series to drop around October. That's right, the regular Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, the Pro XL, and the Pixel 10 Fold. Oh, and don't even get me started on the Pixel 10 Fold's name. It's way too long. Google, let's keep it simple, all right? And of course, Google's official store already leaked some images of the new devices. They've got the classic, "Meet the new Google Pixel 10" tagline up. Honestly, no need to wait for October. These devices might pop up at your local supermarket sooner than you think. Design-wise, the Pixel 10 is looking pretty similar to the Pixel 9. But hey, it's not a bad thing. It's a good design. I'm all for a few minor tweaks, like strengthening the frame and reducing that annoying rapid wear and tear we saw on previous models. We'll have 3 cameras across the board: the regular Pixel 10, the Pro, and even the Fold variant. Of course, there will be differences in lens types and sensors. As for the colors, they're introducing some fresh new shades. I'm personally eyeing a stunning bluish gray and a classic black. The Pixel 10 series will come with Android 16 and 16 gigabytes of RAM across all models. This year, I was hoping for something like a titanium frame or even matte aluminum, but unfortunately, we're sticking to glossy frames. A little disappointing, but not a deal breaker. Display sizes? We're looking at 6.8 inches for the regular version, and the Pro and Fold will have 8-inch displays. As for the battery, we're expecting some improvements, but don't get too excited. It's still the same silicon carbon tech as last year. Honestly, I think it's about time Google joins the faster charging club. If they push for 45W charging, that'd be a nice touch. But we'll see. Now here's the big news. Google's new Tensor 5 chip might not be made by Samsung this time. If true, this is huge. If it's TSMC manufacturing, we could see significant improvements in performance, heat management, and camera quality. And honestly, it's about time. Let's hope that the Tensor 5 can truly compete with flagship chips. Alright, moving on, let's talk about Samsung. We've got some exciting details about the Galaxy S26 series, particularly the Ultra. According to leaks, Samsung is making some major design and build improvements to fix the issues we saw with the S25 Ultra, mainly around durability and camera. Performance. First, there's a chance we might see a complete redesign of the camera system. No more bulky camera rings sticking out like they're on a fashion show runway. Instead, they're going for a cleaner, more integrated design. Plus, they're using a more durable titanium frame and better protection layers for the back and front. Another significant change could be the removal of the stylus from the Ultra model. Yeah, I know, this sounds crazy, but it's likely. Samsung has been hinting at thinner devices, and this might be a part of that transition. I'm also predicting that they'll ditch USB-C ports for wireless charging in the near future. Imagine a phone that's completely portless, charging wirelessly wherever you go. Sounds futuristic, right? As for the camera, rumor has it that the 200MP sensor might get swapped out for a 50MP sensor with improvements across the board. We could also see upgraded ultra-wide and zoom lenses. It's all about better video quality, improved stabilization, and overall image quality. So, there you have it. Samsung is working hard to address the issues with the S26 Ultra, and it's looking like we'll see some serious upgrades. If they improve the camera, charging speed, and design, we might just have a real flagship contender on our hands. Let me know what you think about all these leaks and rumors in the comments below. What are you most excited about for the Pixel 10 and Samsung S26? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next video, and as always, stay tuned for more surprises. Peace out.